Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct kitchen. Today we'll be showing you one way to make a perfect coffee without a filter machine. Filter coffees are a popular method of brewing coffee through a process called percolation, which means that the water passes through a bed of coffee, extracting flavour as it goes. If you have a filter or pour-over coffee machine, then generally all you'll have to do is put the ground beans in the right place, fit a filter and press a button to let the machine do all the work, providing you with a delicious, rich shot of coffee. But you can make filter coffee yourself without a machine, and here's how to do it. To start with, you want to use a ratio of 1 tablespoon of ground coffee beans to between 100 and 150 ml of hot, but not boiling, water, depending on how strong you want your coffee. Stir this mixture, then gently heat it for 3 to 4 minutes on the hob. But don't let it boil, as this can ruin the flavour of your coffee. In the meantime, you can prepare a coffee pot or mug by standing it ready with a filter over the mouth of the jug or mug. Coffee filters are traditionally paper, as paper filters can trap even the smallest particles of coffee ground, but you can also use a fine mesh strainer or even clean fabric if you're improvising. Just remember that coffee does stain if you're going to go for this option though. So allow the coffee to filter through in its own time. Mashing or pressing the coffee grounds can force particles through the mesh, leaving you with muddy tasting coffee and a last mouthful unpleasant to sip. Once the coffee is all drained into the cup, you can dispose of the grounds, add milk and sugar if you want, and enjoy your home-brewed filter coffee. Be sure to check out our full range of delicious coffees at coffee-direct.co.uk and click on subscribe to keep up to date with all of our coffee content.